Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Educating Universe. And in this video, we are going to talk about Python. And it is going to be very first video of my YouTube channel. So, what is Python? So, Python is a high-level interpreted general-purpose programming language, and it was invented in 1991. And like being a general-purpose language, it can be used to build almost any type of application. So, before going ahead, let me show how you can install Python in your machine. So for that you just need to go in this python.org website in your Chrome or any other browser, and then you can just go to this download button and just click on this download Python button. It is going to install Python in your machine. And now you must need an IDE to run your Python. So you can either use PyCharm or VS Code or any other IDE of your choice, but mostly I prefer VS Code. So to download VS Code, you can just go to VS Code website and just click on this button download for Windows if you're using Windows. Else you can use my Mac OS also, Linux also. Okay. So after downloading, we need to open VS Code in our machine, and you can create any folder in your machine and add a new file. So I'm going to name it my first tutorial.py. Okay. So now let's discuss like what is Python. So first of all, Python is an interpreted language. So like if you know Java, then you must have seen like before running Java, we need to compile it, but that is not the case with Python. We can just directly run it. So like, let me write a very first program in Python. So this is going to be hello world. So this is our very first program, and so to run it, I do not need to compile it. So now how to run it? So you can open terminal in VS Code and you can just type this command Python in the name of your file. So yeah, it is as simple as it is. So it is just going to run your first tube.py file and it is going to print hello world. So that is the very good feature of Python. Like we do not need to compile it. And second one is Python, like it is platform independent. So like we can use Python on Linux, Windows, Macintosh or any other machine. And next thing is it is free and open source. So we can download it for free and use it. And we can also modify it as it is open source. And next thing is it is an dynamically typed language. So let me first tell you what is statically typed and what is dynamically typed language. So in statically typed language, data types are checked before execution. So in Java, we know that like before declaring a variable, we must define data type. Like it is going to be string, integer, or anything else. But in Python, that is not the case. Like we do not need to define data type of any variable. So let me show you. Like so, if I type any variable, let's say a, and I can just give it any name. So let a is going to be our name. So I can just print a. And now if I run this program, it is going to work. It is going to be working fine only. And like if I change the data type of it to integer, and then run this program, so like it is still running fine. So as we can see, like data type are checked while running. So like we do not need to define data type of any variable before. So now we can see like the applications of Python. So like Python can be used in many ways. So Python can be used in machine learning, deep learning, and it can also be used in web development domain. So if you have heard about Django, so Django is completely based on Python. We can also use it to develop graphical user interface. And why to use Python? So if I tell you, so it is very easy to use. You can, in other language you need 100 line of code. So in Python you just need only 20 line of code. It is as that simple. So like if I need to print hello world in Java, then I have to define a class, and in that class I have to define a function. So that is going to take many lines of code. But in Python we can just print hello world. But there are some cons also, like it is slow as compared to C and C++. So like Python takes some time to run. And if I tell you which organization uses Python, so like Google, Yahoo, YouTube, Mozilla, Dropbox, Microsoft, Cisco, Spotify, Core, all these organizations use Python very much. So it is up to you whether you are going, whether you choose to go ahead with Python or with any other programming language. But my recommendation is at least like go through this YouTube, go through this playlist, and then decide whether you are liking Python or not. Yeah, that's all about this video. Thank you guys, and I hope you will subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. And in future there is going to be like more videos about Python. So I am going to describe every concept of Python. And if I get like love from you guys, then I'm also going to start playlist about Django machine learning and deep learning also. So thank you guys. Bye.